Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to go through how to install Java on your Windows or Mac and run the test cases in IntelliJ IDE. The first step is to go to the Oracle website and download the latest version of Java. Let's start with Mac. Go to oracle.com. Click on Resources, Downloads, and finally click on Java. On the Java page, go down a bit to see the download links and click on Mac OS, and based on your CPU architecture, download the DMG file to install Java. If you are using an M1 or M2 Mac, you need to download the ARM64 version, or if you are using Intel Mac, download the x64 version. You might need to set the environment path. For that, you must open the terminal and type these commands: cd space tilde and then nano.zshrc. Add the following line to the file. Save it by using Ctrl and X, and then click on Y and click on Enter to complete the saving process and restart your terminal. The next step is to install Maven. Maven is a build management tool for Java, and we need it to run the test cases. To install Maven, we can use Homebrew Package Management on Mac. Go to brew.sh website and use this command to install Homebrew. Copy and paste it into the terminal. It will request your Mac password. You must click Enter to continue the process. Now that you have Homebrew installed, you can use it to install Maven. You only need to type brew install Maven in your terminal. The next step is to install the IDE. Go to jetbrains.com and on the Developer tab, find the IntelliJ IDEA. Go to the download page. You need to download the community version. Select your processor type and download the file. After finishing the installation, open the app. You can open an existing project. Click on Open, select the test case folder that the professor provided and click on Open. You should be able to see all the folders and a pom.xml file. Double-click on the pom.xml file to open it. There is a Run option on top that you can click to run the program. Click on it, and it might take a few minutes to download and install some essential tools and dependencies, and if the IDE asks for installing any requirements, you must allow the process. In the end, you should be able to run the program and see all the test cases and the results.